What's up guys, it's your boy Adexelize, and in this video we're going to find out why people still lose money trading Forex. So make sure you like, share and subscribe. So maybe you're just like me and you've bought Forex signals, you've bought like trading courses, and still yet you find yourself losing money. So personally, I've bought like trading signals, I've bought like Forex courses, and eventually I still find myself losing money. And I keep asking myself, why am I losing money? I mean, I'm learning from the very best. And one thing I understood was that the fact that I'm losing money, maybe I'm doing something wrong. So what I did is I spoke to a Forex trader who is a very professional trader. And when I asked this guy, like, hey, how are you doing it? How are you like making money consistently? I mean, I can see that you're really making money, or you're just lying about it. He said, no, he's not lying about it. He's making money consistently. I was like, okay, so how do you do it? Then he told me like, oh, he's making about, 3 to 10% in a month of the amount of money he has, like of the total capital that he has. I'm like, 3 to 10%, that's nothing. Then he told me he's making about like $5,000 in a month. I'm like, $5,000? Now I'm very happy because this guy mentioned like, $5,000. So what I noticed is that we are more focused on the amount instead of the percentage. And he told me like, hey, Adex, you need to be focused on the percentage. If you can make 3 to 10% on an average in a month, it's very, very good. So let's say you're making 10% in a month. In a year, you already made about 120%. But if you're looking to make like, let's say $5,000 in a month, and you don't even have a good capital to make like $5,000 in a month, then in most cases, you're going to be in losses. So what most people do is when they're trading, they trade with a small capital and they're expecting to make like thousands of dollars within a month. And don't get me wrong, there's some times whereby people actually, invest, let's say, for example, $1,000, they get lucky and they make maybe $10,000 in a day. But you don't want to live your life living on luck. Best for you to calculate your profit in percentage. So one thing I did ask this guy about is trading results. I asked him like, what's your trading capital? If you're making about 5,000 US dollars in a month, what is your trading capital? And he told me he has a trading capital of over $200,000. And I'm like, whoa, of course, that's a lot of money, right? So yeah, I was like, okay, so you're making like $5,000, but you're making it consistently, right? He said sometimes it can even be more than $5,000 if he decides to increase the risk. And in most cases, it's trading with low risk. I mean, very low risk, which is like amazing. So I learned this trading strategy, and I'm going to show you my trading results so that you can see how good this trading strategy is, because you are trading with low risk and your profit is calculated in percentage. Your profit is not calculated in unrealistic amount. So here is my trading result. So if you should look at it for a week, we have a profit of 1,407. That's about 0.9 to 1% of the total capital that we have right here. So this is just for a week. So imagine for a month. Here is a month trade, and this is like 5,665. And I will tell you something, in most cases, I don't really trade. I open like maybe one trade in a day because I really don't have time to be opening trade every single day. So I'm opening about one trade in a day, and that's an average of about 3.5% in a month. If you calculate it in a year, that's about 42% in a year. I doubt your bank give you up to 10% in a year. And just imagine you open 3 trades in a day on an average. In a year, that will be about 126% return on investment. And I will tell you one truth, for those of you who are looking for investors love when you calculate their return on investment in percentage. So for example, if you're making 100% in a year and you're giving the investors maybe 30% in a year, they will really appreciate that than trying to like give them fake unrealistic numbers. So we are willing to teach you this trading strategy for free on the demo account on one condition. You need to have a minimum of 1,000 US dollars in your live account, your live trading account. So if you can afford to invest $1,000, then you're welcome. We're going to teach you this trading strategy first on the demo account. So you're going to try it first on the demo account. If you don't like this trading strategy, you can withdraw your $1,000 from the trading platform. So it's a win-win for you. You learn my trading strategy for free. You withdraw your money and you're gone. Like you won, right? And why you need to have $1,000 in your trading account is because a lot of people, when you teach them for free, they don't take this strategy serious because they don't have the money to invest. So we want to work with serious people. We want to work with people who are willing to learn, people who want to take action, not people who just want to waste our time. If you are part of those people who are very serious and want to really learn this strategy, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you're going to find our Telegram channel. You contact one of our manager, you send the message "Do now" to the manager, and he is going to reply you. They're going to reply you. They're always active, and we can get started from there. So in conclusion, you should start calculating your profit in percentage, and you'll be amazed how your trading result is going to change dramatically. So that's it, guys, for this video. For those of you who are interested in learning my trading strategy, so make sure you send the message to our managers. Don't forget, send "Do now," and we're going to see you on the other side. We're very happy to work with you. So I wish you guys all the best, and bye for now. In this video, we're going to find out why people still make money. Sorry, I forgot to talk. For you to join this course right now, you will need to... That's not words. Pause. So I'm opening about 3 points.